Hi everyone and welcome to another Adobe After Effects tutorial. I'll show you how to mask something. First, take the pen tool. And then click where you want a point of the mask to be. By pressing the space key, you can move the image. Don't forget to close the mask after you are ready by clicking on the first point made. To mask out, check inverted. If you change the data in mask feather, the mask will be smaller than drawn, and in mask expansion it will be larger. If we want to animate the mask, because you see that the clip is moving, we animate the mask path. And now we are ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.